We're diving into a case that really shows what a field-first engineering assessment looks like. This wasn't a routine reactivation. It was a 40-year-old gas line, long discontinued, no formal layup, no ILI data, and terrain that made things interesting, steep, complex, and high risk for water traps. Now, here's where it gets important. Based on modeled flow behavior, the internal corrosion risk was flagged as serious. That wasn't based on failures. There were none. It was based on what could have happened and gone unseen. The model found the potential for 70 water traps per kilometer, most certain to have formed during any overlife periods of dehydration upsets and delivery of non-conforming wet gas. That led to a clear recommendation: a targeted integrity dig, 500 meters from the origin, direct examination of pipeline integrity, right where damage was most probable. Instead of jumping to hydrotesting, the plan called for an in-service leak test, aligned with CSA 662. Here's how it works. Raise the pressure using service gas or inert gas, hold for at least 4 hours, and monitor using SCADA or a right-of-way leak check, using an aerial or ground-based technology. And the mitigation plan? Glycol, slugging every 90 days to prevent pH suppression within stagnant water accumulations, a strategy proven to prevent the active growth of any pre-existing corrosion damage. Also, batch inhibition applied with pigs to install and maintain a physical barrier between produced fluids and the pipe surface. Volatile corrosion inhibitor applied during future suspensions, a strategy designed to elevate the pH of any in situ aqueous fluids to a non-corrosive level. Field ready, cost-effective, aligned to actual risk. So what's the bigger picture? This engineering assessment wasn't about getting permission to operate. It was about building a defensible basis for reactivation, one that recognized what we know, what we don't know, and what we need to confirm through direct inspection. It's a great example of how to treat historical uncertainty with respect, and how to give field teams the clarity they need to move forward with confidence. Thanks for joining me. If you're looking at reactivating legacy infrastructure, remember, when done right, an engineering assessment isn't a chore, it's a tool, one that turns data into decisions. See you in the next episode.